honorable ministers, honorable MPs, honorable MLAs, chief secretary, DGP, senior police officers attending the conference, ladies and gentlemen. I'm happy to address the 62nd Senior Police Officers Conference 2020. I hope that the recommendations emerging out of this conference will improve the quality of policing in the state. I'm happy to note that the law and order situation in the state remained peaceful in the year 2020. I would like to commend the overall efforts of the Odisha police in handling the corona pandemic situation with compassion and empathy. While doing so, we lost many police personnel who laid down their lives in the line of duty. I pay homage to the departed souls and assure their families all support. I'm happy to note that within record time, especially family pension has been sanctioned to 38 next of kin. Similarly, 29 next of kin have received rupees 50 lakh ex gratia compensation, and rest should be processed without any delay. I also commend the 930 police personnel who have voluntarily donated plasma for treatment of COVID patients for their spirit of service. Progressive and sustainable improvement has been noticed in the left-wing extremist situation. Two brave hearts have laid down their lives this year in the fight against Maoists. Families of the martyrs should be taken care of by the state police. The LWE problem is dynamic in nature and keeps changing. Close monitoring and focus efforts should continue. I especially commend the work of SP Malkangiri and Kandhamal in this connection. That has been that people come to these stations should be treated with dignity. It is satisfying to see the feedback taken under Mo Sarkar has been very positive. Though certain good initiatives under 5T in Odisha police has been taken up, there is need to increase the same. I would like to congratulate the state police for organizing an effective drive against narcotic drugs throughout the state. With the STF team.
ଆପଣ ଦେଖିପାରୁଛନ୍ତି 62ତମ ବରିଷ୍ଠ ପୋଲିସ ଅଧିକାରୀଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ 4 ଦିନିଆ ସମ୍ମିଳନୀ ଥିଲା ତାର ଉଦ୍ଯାପନ ଦିବସ ଯେଉଁଠି ଯୋଗ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ମୁଖ୍ୟମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ନବୀନ ପଟ୍ଟନାୟକ ଏବଂ ଉଦ୍ବୋଧନ ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି।
Quantity of narcotics has been seized. Commendable work has been done by DIG, TF and SP Koraput. However, organized crime and exertion should be carried out with more focused efforts. I also appreciate the SPs of Kionjar and Angul for improving industrial atmosphere. Low conviction rate could continue to be an area of concern. All possible steps should be taken to enhance conviction rate by factoring in modern technology into the investigation. Crime against women and children remains our focus area. I hereby announce creation of special wing in Odisha Police to look after offences against women. I expect with these initiatives, quality service will be provided to the women and children. Road safety is another area of concern. Road accident-related fatality are very high in our state. There is need to take up enforcement initiatives as well as public awareness campaign in coordination with other stakeholders like transport, works department, etc., to bring down such fatalities. Government is aware of need for strengthening COVID police in the state in view of increasing demands on the police services. 6 new police stations have been sanctioned, which are being made functional from today. Further, 905 additional posts in various ranks have been sanctioned for strengthening police stations, surrounding the number of posts elsewhere. Government is aware of shortage of housing for frontline police personnel. Substantial funds will be allocated to fulfill such housing requirements. I'm sure that the state police will come up with new ideas to improve its image by providing quality services. I expect all of you to provide quality leadership to the police. I also expect you to be caring and sensitive to the victims and their families. You should aim to provide justice to all sections of society. Bande Utkal Janani.
Thank you very much, sir. As Conference Secretary, on behalf of the DGP and all participants, I would like to express deepest gratitude to you, sir, for gracing the valedictory session of the 62nd Senior Police Officers Conference and addressing the gathering. I would also like to thank you for inaugurating 6 police stations today, which will immensely benefit policing in these regions. Further, sir, I would like to thank you for announcing a specialized wing in Odisha Police for dealing with crime against women and children and for assuring funds for housing, which are an imperative need. All this will go a long way in ensuring a more focused and competent approach.
तो आप सीधासख देखिपुं 62तम वरिष्ठ पुलिस अधिकारी जो सम्मेलन था 4 दिन धरी चलुला तार उद्यापन उत्सव जो जोगदे मुख्यमंत्री नवीन पट्टनायक यह अवसर में ओडिशा रे 6टी नूतन थानार उद्घाटन कले मुख्यमंत्री।
Your appreciation will motivate us to synergize our efforts for better results in future. Your advice, sir, on improving your guidance on road safety, your guidance on monitoring the LWE activity, and on further progress in dealing with organized crime are certainly bound to guide us.
देखिपे 62तम वरिष्ठ पुलिस अधिकारी जो सम्मेलन था तार उद्यापन उत्सव जो जोगदे मुख्यमंत्री नवीन पट्टनायक अवसर में ओडिशा रे 6टी नूतन थानार उद्घाटन करिसेंती मुख्यमंत्री।